Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a good set based on mathematical reasoning. So the question is, in a boys' hostel, there are 100 rooms. There are 100 students in that hostel. On the occasion of Holi, all the students left their hostel and went to their homes. When they returned, it was observed that they entered the hostel one by one. The student who entered first opened the door of all the rooms. Note that each room was assigned a number from 1 to 100. So basically what happened was initially all the doors were closed. So the student who entered first, he opened all the doors. Now when the second student entered the hostel, he closed door of every second room. So basically every second room here implies only multiple of 2. So basically he changed the status of the rooms from open to closed now. Fine. When the third student entered, he operated every third door. Now the third student entered, he operated every third door. That is, if any door was opened, he closed it, and if he found it closed, he opened it. Fine. So basically, they are changing the status of the door. If they found it open, they will close it, and if they found it closed, they will open it. But the important point here is they are operating on their multiple position only. For example, the student who came at number 3 will operate on all the numbers which are multiple of 3 only. The student who will enter at number 4 will operate on all the numbers which are multiple of 4 only. For example, he will operate on room number 4, room number 8, room number 6, 12, 16 and so on. Fine. Now, so did the fourth student with every fourth door, fifth student with every fifth door and so on up to 100 student. When the 100 student did his operation, the process stopped. Now this was the question, and this was said the information that was given to us was this only, and the question is at the end of the process which of the following doors was open. Fine. Now again I would like to suggest you to pause the video over here and give it a try, then move to the solution part. Okay, so see, this is a very good set. This will teach us a very good property of numbers. Fine. So first of all, let us try to fill this table. So I have keep the numbers till 16 only because it is not possible to keep the numbers till 100. So एक बार हम 16 तक करके we'll try to understand the logic. We'll try to understand a property of number जो इस particular question में use हुई है. Now the first student, initially all the doors were closed. So the first student opened door number 1. He changed the status from closed to open. Door number 2, he opened basically all the doors because each and every number is multiple of 1. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, जो भी 1 के multiple थे उन सबको open कर दिया. Fine. Now the second student came. He operated on every second door. So basically जो second वाला open था उन्होंने उसको close कर दिया. Fourth वाला open था उन्होंने close कर दिया. फिर sixth को close, eighth को close and so on. Only on multiple of 2s he operated. Then came student number 3rd. He operated on multiples of 3 only. Open, close. Here the room number 6 was closed, so he opened it. Then 9th, close. Then 12th, it was closed, so he will open it. Then 15th, it was open, so he will close it. Now comes the chance of student number 4. He will operate on multiples of 4 only. So basically, he will open this one because it was closed. He will again open this one because it was closed. He will close this one and he will open this one, 12th number, because it was a 16th number because it was closed. Now 5th number, he will operate on 3 doors only, 5, 10 and 15. So 5 is open, so he will close it. Now which is let's talk about door number 10. So 10th number door is closed, so basically he will open it. And 15 number door is closed, so he will open it and so on, right? Now 6 number will operate on 6 and 12 only. So 6 is open, he will close it. 12th is closed, so he will open it. 7th will operate on 7th and 14. So 7th is closed, open, so he will close it. Fine. And 14 is closed, so he will open it. 8th number, 8 number door was open, so he will close it. Then 16 number, it is open, so he will close it. 9th number will operate from here onwards. The 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, all these will operate on one door only. Fine, because they don't have any multiple available over there, right? So 9 closed था, इसे open कर दिया. It was 10th was open, ये close हो जाएगा. 11th was closed, 11th was open, so ये भी close हो जाएगा. 12th was open, so ये भी close हो जाएगा. 13th was open, close. 14th was open again, you can see, so ये भी close हो जाएगा. 15th again was open, ये भी close हो जाएगा. And 16th was closed, so ये open हो जाएगा. Fine. Now we have seen that one door पे केवल एक ही स्टूडेंट ने ऑपरेट किया, एंड ऑब्वियसली वन ही करेंगे क्योंकि उसके बाद जो भी स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं वो वन से बड़े नंबर वाले आ रहे हैं, वो वन से आगे वाले नंबर्स पे मल्टीपल पे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. फाइन. तो हम देखेंगे कि ये ऑपरेशन होने के बाद वी हैव सीन इट टिल गेट नंबर 16 ओनली, राइट? तो 16 तक हमने देखा डोर नंबर 1 इज ओपन फाइनली, डोर नंबर 2 इज क्लोज फाइनली, 3 is closed, 4 is open, 5th is closed, 6th closed, 7th closed, 8th closed, 9th is open, 10th, 11th, 12th, all are closed except 16th is open now. So you have seen that 1, 4, 9, 16, these are the number of the doors which are open. Can you find any similarity or any particular logic in these numbers? So basically these are squares of 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square is 2, then 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So can we, using the same logic, find the next number? It should be 5 square 25. And when you will check this manually, you will find that 25 number door will be open. Fine. Now, what is the logic behind this? ये केवल square number वाले door ही हमें open क्यों मिल रहे हैं? So guys, the logic over here is any square number has always have multiple which are odd in number. Sorry, not multiple, basically factors which are odd in number. देखेंगे 1 के फैक्टर्स आर 1 ओनली व्हिच इज ऑड, वी हैव 4, द फैक्टर ऑफ 4 आर 1, 2 and 4, so we have 3 factors which is odd. For 9, how many factors do we have? 1, 3 and 9, again odd, we have 3 factors which is odd. Fine. For 16, let us check it out. So for 16 we have factors is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, so basically now we have 5 factors which again is odd. For 25, the factors that we have are 1, 5 and 25, which again is odd. Let us check for 36 also. For 36, the number of factors that we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 36. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I have missed 1, 18. Fine. So again we have odd number of multiple. So for each and every square number, we always will have odd number of multiples. Now see, odd number of multiples होने की वजह से क्या हो रहा है? Whenever the initially it was closed, तो जब भी odd number वाला student आता है वो उसे open कर देता है, जब भी even number वाला आता है वो उसे close कर देता है, जब भी odd number वाला आता है वो वापस उसे open कर देता है. तो basically जिन के odd number of factors होंगे numbers के, वो वाले door open रहेंगे. And only square numbers are those numbers which have odd number of factors. This is very important property. Only square numbers are those numbers which have odd number of factors. Apart from square numbers, you can check for any number, they won't have odd number of factors. They definitely will have. For example, I am taking one number randomly. Let us check for 8. For the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So basically we have even number of factors. Let us check for some prime number. It is very easy to check for prime number. Let's check for 13. So we have 1 and 13. So prime number always have 2 factors, which is again even. So you can check for any number. Apart from square numbers, you won't find any number which are having odd number of factors. So basically we can say that all the number which are square, वो वाले gate open रहेंगे. Now the question is, at the end of the process, which of the following doors was open? So the answer is obviously a square number, which is 100 only. So the answer to this question is 100. So guys, I hope this set is clear to you. Thank you.